Hi, good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Maria Teres B. Pipito, 31 years of age and from the Philippines. I'm a high school graduate and a mother of 2 girls. We are 7 siblings and I'm the youngest. I have 2 years experience being a domestic helper in Amman, Jordan since 2022 to 2024. As a helper, my duties and responsibilities is to do a household chores like general cleaning, wash clothes and ironing, gardening, and taking care of a 5-year-old child. I'm a flexible woman. I can do any task. I'm a hardworking, honest, and fast learner person. You don't need to worry about me, Mom and Sir, because I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will take care of your baby as my kids do. Hope you choose me as one of your employee and being part of your family. Thank you.